P0300 means random misfires in one or more cylinders. Unlike codes P0301, P0302, P0303, and P0304 that point to a specific cylinder, P0300 tells you the misfires are jumping around. That makes diagnosis trickier and requires a step-by-step approach. What symptoms will you notice? The car may shake, idle rough, or stumble during acceleration. Sometimes the engine may stall. And if the check engine light starts blinking, that means the misfire is happening right now. Driving in that condition can overheat and damage the catalytic converter. Possible causes include electrical problems like worn spark plugs, bad coils, damaged wires, or poor ground connections. Fuel-related issues such as low fuel pressure, clogged injectors, or a failing fuel pump. Mechanical problems like low compression caused by worn cylinders, valves, or piston rings. You might also have a mix of issues, like vacuum leaks or faulty sensors giving incorrect readings. What should you do? Start simple. Check the spark plugs and ignition coils first, these are the most common culprits. Replace old or fouled plugs. Inspect coils for cracks or signs of arcing. Next, check the fuel system, measure fuel pressure and clean or replace injectors if needed. Inspect the air filter and make sure the intake system is sealed. If the basics do not fix it, perform a compression test. This will show whether the mechanical side of the engine is healthy. Low compression in any cylinder points to wear or damage, and you can rule out the ignition and fuel systems. If compression is normal, focus on ignition, fuel delivery, or sensors. The key is not to replace parts blindly. P0300 and its related codes P0301 through P0304 are signals to find the cause step by step. This approach saves money, time, and protects your engine from serious damage.